Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and say hello. It's been a while since I've uploaded another video. I think the guy in the background wants to say hi too. But I'm still on vacation in Ibiza. I think I'm officially European now because I've taken it's almost a month now. We went to Tokyo, family trip. And my daughter is with my in-laws for a few weeks. So my husband and I decided to book a trip to Ibiza, which is my first time here. It's also my first time going to, well, obviously any concerts or DJ sets here. So I'm really enjoying it. Even though I don't drink and I don't do drugs, I'm like the only sober person, me and my husband, in the room. But we're having a really, really good time. So it's nice. And I'm European because I've taken so much time off without feeling guilty at all. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here to say hi. New episodes are coming. I did last week record a new episode with Pashant from Bringin, which is totally good. 21 questions in 10 minutes. And of course, there will be a nice bounty for the full interview. We're not going to reveal the bounty amount yet, but Bringin is going to bring it. And also look out for a collab coming up in a few days with Orange Manufacturing Group. This one's really cool. It's like a 12-part music series, I'll say, with a pretty nice bounty attached to it. So look out for that. I want to say the Bringin episode will probably be out like mid-August, mid to end of August. So yeah, I'm still here. There will still be sats to be given away. And yeah, just look out for it. Enjoy your summer. Touch grass, touch water, touch life. Just stack sats and live your life. Don't get caught up in online arguments, nonsense. Just live your life. Bye.